The beginning of digital forms of money denoted a progressive time in the realm of money. The flexible scope of digital forms of money offers a plenty of benefits to financial backers. The famous digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Wave, Litecoin, and so forth had their own advantage temporary fad to advance. In any case, they're actually hit a test of openness, straightforwardness, and immense exchange expenses. Allow us to have a fast look at the ongoing cost and subtleties of BCH and comprehend the Bitcoin money cost expectation for what's in store. Clients of the Advanced Bank can now make P2P installments over the organization or different banks inside the UK. A profound entrance into the raw numbers of Bitcoin money has an out-and-out various story to uncover, notwithstanding having large future outcomes, likewise potential, and commitments of conveying forward a 8 megabytes block size. The token has many motivations to work harder to coordinate to its size opposite its rivals. A significant explanation, thusly, is that the two financial backers and diggers side with the parent Bitcoin. BCH is using pretty much 2.1% of its block limit. Aside from that, the specialized rejig could likewise be expected to bring back the cost sheen. This could assist with pushing the BCH cost and market cap to new highs. Be that as it may, the value history of Bitcoin money, thinking back, has not been offering too much. It has stayed unpredictable and unequivocally connected with the general market situation. On December 20, 2017, not long after its creation, a solitary Bitcoin money had a worth of more than $4,000 and the cost expanded. It looks astounding that the coin has begun losing cash quickly and saw today cost drop from that astonishing level definitely. Retail financial backer records lose cash while exchanging spread wagers and are complicated instruments. To outfit the ideal potential, specialists overall and die-hard financial backers of Bitcoin money forecast have exhorted adhering to this cash principally for the reasons of future cost acceleration assumption. As a matter of fact, it has consistently acquired and reliably performed, as said previously. As per Guaj Bitcoin money cost, it is by all accounts showing a vertical pattern. The bulls will push the cost up like other crypto monsters as well. It's uplifting news for its financial backers. According to BCH Value Forecast, it can generally really depend on $280.62 as greatest cost in 1 year. Bitcoin money conjecture is by all accounts showing negative feeling. It might dishearten its financial backers cruising scarcely at $84.24 as least cost toward 2023 out of 1 year's end. As per the basic examination and cost estimate, independent of its reception, the BCH coin will quite often confront heat till January 2023. Going by Bitcoin money cost expectations that bulls might be back, the cash ought to wind up around $126. Bitcoin money is anticipated to begin and walk 2023 at $131.61 and finish the month at $119.82. During spring, the greatest determined BCH cost is $140.21 and the base cost is $95.34. The Bitcoin Money Project Group is on a forceful binge to upgrade its advancement and improvement exercises. Breaking liberated from the customary method of activity, the group is effectively considering some progressive infrastructural upgradation. Aside from the ongoing wallet support, the Bitcoin Money People Group has likewise tried a beta message tipping bot, TipMuchBot, which empowers wire clients to tip different clients utilizing BCH. There is additionally news that the behemoth will think of its own hard forks, prompting numerous potential ways that assistants to hold Bitcoin to get free coins. No big surprise this would be really useful to give a monstrous push to the cost of Bitcoin money on the lookout. There are hypotheses that the Bitcoin money BCH cost will raise a ruckus around town cost of $379 toward the finish of 2025, considering the guides it has made. As previously mentioned, Bitcoin money cost is the posterity of BTC. It is set to follow similar impressions in cost activity as well. Assuming the Bitcoin cost is going vertical, the BCH cost, as well, will profit from that in no time. Bitcoin money value expectation 2023 going by concentrating on present moment and long-haul BCH cost drifts, the coin's cost has been deviating from its way ordinarily every 2 or 3 years. In 2023, Bitcoin money is supposed to arrive at the base cost of $112.56 and $273.46 as the most extreme cost, as indicated by Bitcoin Money Cost Forecast 2023. There is an anticipated possibility of Bitcoin money causing a slight recuperation. However, at the year end of 2023, BCH cost will recapture its lost force and crosses the $250 mark. Bitcoin money is said to arrive at the base cost of $227.50, with a typical cost of $287.50. Bitcoin money has the maximum capacity to support and reliably fill even in antagonistic circumstances, according to our BCH cost expectation. There will be an extreme change in the Bitcoin money cost figure when contrasted with the ongoing cost. Bitcoin money is said to arrive at the base cost of $300.30 and $458.70 as the most extreme cost. That would mean, as per Bitcoin money cost forecast, it would have a typical worth of $379.50 in 2025. Bitcoin money value expectation 2026. In light of our own examination and Bitcoin money cost conjecture, the BCH cost forecast for the year 2026 is $590.75. BCH figure helps in effective financial planning with impeccable timing. Bitcoin money is anticipated to have a base cost of $386.75 and a typical cost of $590.75. Bitcoin money value expectation 2027 as per Bitcoin cash cost forecast. The token is supposed to have least and greatest costs of around $505.05 and $771.45. Separately, simultaneously, the typical cost of the crypto might be around $638.25 all year long. Bitcoin money value forecast 2028 as per the BCH cost expectations. The symbolic will have least, normal, and most extreme costs of around $564.20, $713 and $861.80 individually. Bitcoin money value expectation 2029 taking a gander at the BCH forecasts. The coin will exchange a scope of $641.55 to $979.95, where the previous is the most reduced cost for the year and the last option is the greatest cost. Simultaneously, the typical cost for the whole year might be around $810.75 for 2029. Bitcoin money value forecast 2030 of every 2030. The symbolic will have developed superbly from where it stands today. According to our gauges, it will have a greatest cost of around $1,118.95. Simultaneously, the base and normal costs might be around $732.55 and $925.75 separately. What is not yet clear is the way the mining definitely stands out of legislatures overall and whether they, as well, perceive the intrinsic worth of this crypto wallet resource at standard with other important resources. No big surprise, the always dynamic group of qualified mathematicians and cryptographers is creating and keeping up with the digital currency. Consequently, it wouldn't be an exaggeration to name Bitcoin money's capability as an impetus in executing savvy contracts and moving assets. The most important variables that push the cost of Bitcoin money cost are the speed and moderateness that empower faster upgrades in execution.